Good morning, welcome to the market view for Tuesday the 6th of May 2014. Starting off with Friday last, when we had the release of the non-farm pay figures, we can see that we had a potential sell signal which was filled in the morning part of the trading session. In fact, filled on the second bar at 10 a.m. We see the market then come back and then the weakness resume, and then prices moving lower down to the first profit target here just at midday. So the most you could have expected on this trade for Friday the 2nd of May is going to be the around the 20 pip level. We then see some buying come back in, and then just prior to the release of the 1:30 news, we see prices reverse again, having traded back up towards the entry price. And then, of course, this huge bar here is the release of the non-farm payroll figures. The market moving lower for the next half an hour before actually finding some support. Also notice that we have a green volume bar there with a red candle, the market coming off the low. So even though the market actually traded lower, after we see the market then return and move back to the upside there, trading back above the 168.50. And then moving back up towards the entry price once again before prices then go into a sideways range on the overnight market. Yesterday, the UK had a bank holiday, but the US continued to trade, as did the currency markets, but not an awful lot. There was a few economic news items out during yesterday. You can see there 13:30, so this is the US news items here. And then, of course, at 15:30, the market retesting these lows and then moving up on the overnight market, which is unusual. We've seen the market move quite sharply on the overnight market here. And let's just have a quick look and see how far the market's actually moved. So we've got 22 pip move to the upside there as prices have continued to move on the overnight. I'll just drag this over so you can see we're heading back towards where we had the original sell signal there. Let's have a look at the daily chart and see where we are in the bigger picture. I'll just move this over and let's just widen the price bar so we can get a closer look at what's actually happening. So the market, this is Friday, of course, where the market saw the release of the US non-farm payroll figures. And then yesterday, another red candle, but markets are moving towards the 169 level on the overnight market and early morning trading this morning. So the market's got to take out this recent high, which we can see to the left there. That's the 169, and then of course we've got the 169.18. So the pound still moving to the upside, heading back towards that 170, and from 170, of course, we go to around 182, and then head back towards $2 to the pound. And the pound certainly in a bull market at the moment. As I just move the chart back to the right for you, you can see we've got this uptrend. So any short trades will be short-term profits, whereas the long side seems to be the best side, and there's a defined uptrend there that we can see at the moment. So let's have a quick look at the news, see what's to be released for today that could move the markets, the European markets, some news out there. But first and foremost, we've got the services PMI from the UK. This is out at 9:30, and then it's back to the Eurozone at 10 a.m., 10:15. US trade balance at 1:30 is the only other economic news item that could move the market. And then, of course, we've got Stein speaking from the Federal Reserve at 10:30 p.m., which won't affect us. So the market's still stuck in a sideways range in the daily chart, but moving higher. The short trades, unless there is any geopolitical news to move the markets lower, is tending to be better on the upside than the downside at the moment. But of course, we are due for a potential shakeout as well, so keep this in mind. So that's it for this morning, brief and to the point. Back in the saddle, and all things being equal, I will see you in tomorrow's market view. have a great day. As ever, thank you for your support and also for watching.